Morning guys.
Morning.
Today we're heading to HorrorCon.
That's exciting.
It should be good.
I've been looking forward to this for weeks. Everyone in work has been sick of me just like, oh, it's this weekend.
I know, it will be good. It's like a horror con. It's like Comic Con but for horror fans obviously, you know what I mean? As you can see with Natalie's t-shirt. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
I love horror, well you know.
Actually, hold on, get a better view. There we go. Terrifier.
Dead Cats Club. I absolutely love Dead Cats Club. I have pretty much all of their t-shirts apart from one that they've ever made. And they're actually releasing their Halloween one for this year tomorrow, so it'll probably be out by the time this video goes out. So check them out.
And Natalie's saying to me that she's not going to buy a t-shirt from them. We'll
they are going to be here today actually.
So she's going to end up buying an all t-shirt there.
Probably. I don't know if there's any t-shirts I don't have.
Well, maybe they'll do an exclusive for HorrorCon.
Maybe.
They might do. So right, we'll get going and we'll see you in there. Bye bye. How cool is the Ghostbuster car? And then they've got a second car. How cool is that? What are the skulls? A wee guy driving it. There's like a zombie apocalypse car here as well. How cool is that? It's absolutely amazing. The attention to detail on this thing's cool, isn't it? Oh aye, check this, it's cool. Some of the passenger rules. No crying or screaming, no touching the buttons.
I think I wouldn't be allowed in.
No, you definitely wouldn't be allowed in, would you? There's got some bullets there. Kinetic big machine gun. This is cool, man. I like this. Look at these busts. These are amazing. Pennywise one's brilliant. And what's this dude's name again?
Beck, nah.
He's killing him, man.
He's wanting to know effects grades.
And this one's for what?
You're usually making for collectors.
That's cool, isn't it?
Okay. So
This is for Bob.
he's on the low end. He's 5'8".
For Bob.
Check out some of the detail here.
People love them. They just cost way too much to create.
And look at the zombie eyes as well. This is just a wee video showing you how to make them. I've just got this cracking stall here from Psycho Slaughterman. He's got a lot of hand painted stuff here. It looks as if it's on wood. How amazing is that? Oh aye, and there's like wee crochet things here too. How cool are they? This Pennywise one's quality. How cool is Bob? Can I get wee Dobby? And this guy's evil looking man, isn't he? How awesome are these pumpkins? It's actually a cracked price, by the way. They're amazing, aren't they? How amazing is this Terrifier? Unfortunately just sold, but he is brilliant. These are cool. And this is a stall called Split Dog. These are amazing. We've got some cool magnets. He's awesome, isn't he? Look at that. Unfortunately, I think it's the best one sold, isn't it? It's gone. How cool is this? And this one's cool too, very, very creepy. We get Predator and Terrifier here, they're cool, aren't they? We've got another stand here called Prop Shack. How amazing are they? How cool is the Terrifier guy? How cool is the Grinch, by the way? Isn't he?
I'll do with my number.
He's amazing.
Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you.
How amazing is this costume? And then this guy's costume here too. These are cool, man. Hampton at the King's Gate. This cracking stall here called Pabluna. Look at all these amazing things. This is awesome. I especially love these wee guys out here. They're cool. Like Nats likes these. There's this quality stall as well called Dead Pretty. How amazing are these? Can't quite get close enough, but
it's hard to get photos and film.
I know that.
Glass.
I know. To try and get close enough to do them justice.
I know.
That one there's amazing. And this here as well, with the lights.
Everyone's always like, oh, they're really
How amazing is this one? That's so cool.
Skeleton, bat, skeleton, and the other one was a
They're
dead.
amazing.
Oh, that's nice.
Somebody's just doing a live painting here. It's absolutely awesome. And there's a stall as well. That's brilliant. I think that guy's know who his mom and coffee. Oh no. This is taking the piss out of that Willy Wonka thing that came to Glasgow and was absolutely terrible. And we're just going to go and see the Unknown because Natalie keeps going on about it. The Unknown's ran away.
New worker.
Oh no.
He's friendly, he's not too friendly.
He might bite me.
No, trust me, he's too friendly.
Right, can I take a free sweet? No, he's saying no. Oh no. Thank you. Cheers. And there's the Unknown.
I already used this one, I'm gonna have to use it again. You want a photo? How about a close-up?
This guy here that makes these ghosts, and how amazing are they? Absolutely love this ice cream one. And Natalie's went and bought one. So you got this one up here, the Bumblebee.
How cute is that?
Right guys, that's us finished with HorrorCon.
It was actually so good. It was so warm.
Oh aye, the place was roasting inside, but no, it was brilliant. It was busy, and it was like a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a wee bit like Comic Cons, but no as good. That's what I thought at first, but
I cannot wait to go again next year, and they have another one coming up in a few weeks' time at the end of October for Dundee. The same people, so yeah, it was so good. It was so many different rooms, and so many people put so much effort into their costumes.
Amazing.
There was stuff that we never even got to do. There was like screenings of some films, and there was like some talks. Like we passed one of the directors, and it was like to do with The Descent, but they were going into like Women of Horror talk, but we didn't. We
should have maybe done them, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
We could have done them, but
apart from what you've just seen in that video, there was like so much more. There was like talks and like sign-ins for like people meet and greets. So it was
the original Leatherface. Was it original Leatherface?
From 2003.
Aye. So I didn't buy it, and there was like too much. There was actually, you'll see it in the vlog, there was a cracking Terrifier mask that if I had got in quick enough, I would have bought it in a heartbeat, you know what I mean? It was cracking, but somebody literally got it just
while
as
we were at the table.
I think we were literally filming, it might come up in the vlog, we were filming as the couple bought it. Absolutely insane, this one. But Natalie got a couple of things.
We did.
And she's going to just show you them now.
So there was a store called Glasgow, and he does like little ghosts and stuff. So there's a lot of ghosts with like traffic cones, like Duke of Wellington. But everyone that knows me knows I love bees. So I got, this is called a booby. I don't know if it can focus.
I don't know if it'll focus cause us. Hold on, we'll get it yet. There we go.
How cute is he? And he's got little wings, and he comes on a little honeycomb stand. Literally adorable.
Aye, that was cool.
There was a store called Dead Pretty.
Oh, this one was brilliant.
And I have wanted one of these death head moths forever.
How cool is that? It's hard to capture on the camera, but that's absolutely amazing, by the way.
She had so many different options for these. There was one in like a cool little dome, but in my head I'm like, that's going to break on the way home.
I know. One with lights in it and all that as well, that was cool, you'll see that in the vlog.
And it was like all dissected to like a fairy out of insects, and there was bees and stuff, there were spiders and bats. I definitely will be looking out for them again.
They were awesome.
This one's got like a bit of backing on the novel, which is from like the Silence of the Lambs, so I just had to have that. And then this other store, one of my best friend's daughter owns this store, so shout out to Moth and Magpie. But don't know if there's any What We Do in the Shadows fans, but I got a Nadja's nightclub bag, had to get that.
That's awesome.
Absolutely love it. We all know I'm a Ghibli fan, so Kiki's Bakery wax melts.
See what all the folk, there we go.
These smell absolutely amazing. It's butter croissants and just build like a bakery. It's so good, and I love Kiki's Bakery. It's not really horror, but the cat reminds me of our old cat. And Asnafel and Co.'s bookstore. It's
focus. There we go.
keyring, like a motel keychain.
Brilliant.
From Good Omens, the show with like David Tennant, and I don't know if you like the books. I love it, so I had to get that. So I was very good. I also got 2 biscuits, not featured because I had ate them.
Aye, they were gone pretty quick.
But they were very good. They were horror biscuits from Serena Bakes, and Chris actually bought me them.
I did, aye.
They were very, very nice.
Only because I lost a bet, and the bet was who in Scooby-Doo has ginger hair. So put in the comments if you know. I thought it was Velma. I thought it was Velma, but Natalie says no, it wasn't.
I said it's Daphne.
Aye, and once we googled it, it was Daphne, so I had to end up buying the biscuits, you know.
So thank you, they were very tasty, you know.
So aye, that wraps up our HorrorCon vlog, and we absolutely loved it. And if any of you have been to previous ones, or you are going to ones, just let us know in the comments what you're excited for. Right, thanks very much.
See you
next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.